Hey Scruffy, how you doing? Wow, that's a meow for you. There's another one, huh? Oh, you're loud tonight. Yeah, it's raining, isn't it? You don't like the rain very much, huh? Yeah, we don't get a lot of rain around here. So yeah, you probably don't see it that often. Of course, you've been out there for a while, so you're probably used to it. Just don't like it. I saw you made your home here on the table and the chair. So you found a nice, comfortable place to get out of the rain. Yeah, are you hungry? So I have more of your smelly fish and chicken. Yeah. So I think you like it. You can clean your plate pretty well. Yeah. Okay, oh, I forgot to put my shoes on, so I gotta get my shoes on. So let me get my shoes on, especially since it's raining. Okay. Okay, got my shoes on. I will get your food now. How does that sound? Okay, so I'm gonna open the door. Okay, get your food. And you want your food, right? Yeah. So, alright, you gonna try to come in? Yeah. I don't think you're actually gonna come in, but you see him holding the plate. That was a loud one. Okay, yeah, I didn't think you were gonna come in. It's probably better that way. You'll probably freak out when you get in here and scratch me or something. Okay, so I'm gonna put the food on the table. And I gotta get the water. I'm in a hurry tonight. I don't know. So it didn't rain all day, so you had a chance to get some mice or some voles at lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna get you change your water first. Wow, you're in a hurry. Huh. You know, we do this every night. Shouldn't be a surprise. So I gotta change your water first, and then I sit in the chair, and then I get the glove on. Okay? Wow, you're vocal tonight. Okay, let me get the glove. Wow, you're in a hurry. Yeah, you're rubbing against my leg. Okay. Guess maybe you're hungry. Let me get this over with, huh? So yeah, I can pet you under that chin there without hitting that piece of fur now. Looks like that fur fell off. So, yeah, kind of a frizzy hair day there. So the weather forecast basically said it was going to have showers and rain all day, and even actually started last night. However, actually, I don't think it actually rained until this afternoon. So could have been a much worse day for Scruffy, but and the temperature cooled down a little bit, but it's not really cold, and the rain's actually not that hard. So I'm actually surprised he's as meow-y as he is tonight, because that day we had that freak hailstorm, That was the loudest I've ever heard him. But that was a pretty crazy storm. We got thunder and lightning and wind and hail and cold and so I understand why he was upset with that. It rained so hard that even with the covering here on the deck, the water was coming through. So today is pretty mild. So and we've had worse, and I think Scruffy didn't seem to be too affected by that. So I'm a little surprised he's as meow-y as he is tonight. And he made himself pretty comfortable here in the sheltered area of the deck, so I don't even think he was that affected. So I had trouble sleeping again last night, so I ended up waking up kind of early this morning. And so I didn't go out for a bike ride, or run, didn't even go out for a walk because of the rain. So I just assumed it was going to be raining all day, so I assumed I couldn't go out. So I was doing some pull-ups on the side of the deck where my pull-up bar is, and doing a few push-ups and a few exercises with the elastic bands. But I'm kind of slacking on the bands and the push-ups. I'm okay on the pull-ups. So I've been pretty stressed out and depressed, and I'm reaching kind of a burnout point too now. So today, I kind of tried to take it easy because I realized I wasn't being productive at all. So I actually opened a video game for the first time in it's probably been several months. I haven't had time to play video games or anything. Actually, I haven't played video games that much at all past several years. So, so I buy a lot of indie titles when they're like on a fire sale, basically. So I particularly like the Humble Bundles when they put a whole bunch really cheap for $1 or minimum donations $1. So I tend to accumulate a lot of indie games that way. And then if they go on sale on Steam for under, my threshold's usually under $5. If they get under $3, it's usually like I'll buy it. $5 I debate. So anyway, this is one of the games that's been... Actually, no, I didn't even buy this one. I think it was one of the free games on Epic, the Epic Store. I think it was some time ago. I've been accumulating them, but I haven't been playing any of them. Oh, that was an interesting love bite there. So I think it's called Night in the Woods. So I think it's some sort of adventure-ish game. Artwork looked kind of cute, and I like adventure games every now and then. I don't think they make them like they used to, so I wasn't sure what to expect. Modern reviews don't have the same, vantage point that I had with adventure games, and so usually, people who review these things are looking for completely different things than I'm looking for. So, I don't know. So far I'm just going to start in the game, and I don't know. I'm still unsure about it. So there's a chance that I end up stop playing it because, yeah, I'm going to have to get back to work and real life and whatever. But, yeah, for a couple hours, yeah, my depression kind of subsided a little bit. So it was kind of a nice break. And then I've been feeling hungry all day, so I haven't been eating enough the past week. I've lost more weight than I'm supposed to. That's considered safe, for at least if you do it consistently. For one week, it's probably okay. So I'm going with it. I was actually trying to hope maybe I can continue the stretch because I am trying to lose weight. But but yeah, today I was feeling a little bit hungry, so I'm still trying to clear out space in my freezer, and there's it's a pre-frozen garlic chicken and vegetables mix. So basically, I think it's already like semi-cooked. You just put it in the frying pan or a wok or something, and you heat it up for 10 minutes in the pan, and then it's good to go. So I have a big giant bag of it. So it's like I think it's like serving size, or it's like a serving. There's like 9 servings in a bag or something, which is like ridiculous. So I can't eat it all, and stay on a diet. So okay, it looks like he's gonna bite there. So the rain's coming down harder now. So actually, we're about food time here. So but yeah, you seem to be into the petting. So I tried to dish out 1 serving size from the bag. So it's kind of hard to guesstimate, but I ate that for kind of a very, very late lunch or very, very early, I wouldn't call it dinner because I'm still like really hungry, so pre-dinner. But I've been good for the past, I've been actually really good for a while now, so I haven't had a cheat day in a while. Kind of had a cheat day when that freezer broke, but not really. I was going to have a pizza, and then I burned the pizza. So that kind of screwed up my cheat day. Okay, let's get you your food. You've been probably waiting, huh? Okay. So I've been doing more planning, trying to figure out how I can further try to save my plants and trees that are dying. So yesterday I put fertilizer stakes in the ground, hoping that they might reinvigorate the trees. I used up an entire pack, which was 15 spikes. So I mixed them. I have multiple trees and bushes that are struggling, so I figured out how to use the entire pack. Though I've been reviewing the garden, and I think there are 2 more trees that I think that need help, at the least, maybe more. So I'm thinking I might need to use that second pack that I bought. So maybe I won't return it after all, and I'll just use it and hope it works. Okay, I'm going to switch brushes. but I'll wait for the rain to stop before I try to put more fertilizer stakes in. Oh, you got a knot in your tail there. Okay, I'm gonna flip the brush over. And then I just saw another Mousetrap Mondays video, and I think I'm behind, but yeah, he reviewed something. So he does a lot of bucket dunk traps. So there's a new one that somebody's made, and I think he's calling it the best trap ever made. And I'm thinking with my bowl problem, maybe I need to get one of those. Because, yeah, so far I haven't caught any bowls. So I didn't check the traps today. But one thing I like about the dunk the mouse trap is it resets itself, so you can catch a whole bunch in one shot. Whereas, the classic snap traps, it's 1-to-1 if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, the trap gets set off and you don't catch anything. So that's what happens in one of my 3 traps. It got set off, and all the peanut butter was eaten, but yeah, nothing in the trap. So I did see Scruffy hanging out on that section of the deck. About I think it was morning actually. So it was gloomy and overcast. He was sleeping on the deck near the railing, and then later he woke up and he was sitting on the deck near the railing. Surprised he was out there since there was no sun and it wasn't really that warm today. I was thinking maybe he knows there are voles over there, so maybe he's keeping an eye on them. Hoping to get a vole. Hoping to get lunch or breakfast. I didn't see him catch anything though. And then I think probably around noon, he came and slept on the new chair. And he was there for a little bit. And then I think the rain started, or it was about to start. And then I saw him sleeping on the big table. And I haven't seen him on the big table in actually a while. So I definitely haven't seen him since I brought out the chair. So I think he's made the chair his new bed. So I was a little surprised to see him on the big table, but yeah, maybe because of the rain, he likes to be up high on the table. So I saw him from the kitchen window, and at one point, so I filmed him, I think at one point he didn't see me, and then another point later, maybe an hour or 2 later, he saw me, and I think I woke him up because he didn't like me looking at him. So as he woke up, I started to back up a little bit. I didn't really want to wake him or scare him, so I kind of backed off, and then eventually I just stopped recording and left the room, hoping maybe he'd just go back to sleep. But I think he ended up leaving the table like right after that, but I don't actually know. And then eventually he returned to the chair, and he was sleeping there the rest of the afternoon until dinner. And then he got up for dinner and waited here. And so here we are. He's almost done. He's moving the balls, trying to get more food, but I think he's eaten most of it. So I think he really likes that smelly fish. This is my least favorite of the food. So I rinsed off the bowl last night and then put it in the dishwasher, and it still stunk up the dishwasher. He's done. It's interesting how his attitude completely shifts right after he's done eating. So he goes from one moment where he meows and wants to be pet and rubbing against my leg to the next moment it's like, yeah, I'm out of here. Don't want to have anything to do with you. I'm surprised he's thirsty though. So considering how much water there is with the rain. Well, he's going back for more, but there isn't any. He ate it all. I think I actually put in a little extra kibble. Oh, that's right, it's raining. You probably don't want to leave. I was expecting him to take off around the corner, but yeah, it's raining and wet right now, so what are you going to do? I'm assuming he's still going to leave. He's always done that in the past. Of course, the irony is I actually kind of want to go in and eat. I was actually kind of hoping he would take off so I can go in. And it's actually a little colder tonight, so I'd be more comfortable inside. So, grabbing a piece of fur that fell off on the chair. So put it on the camera here. So you see it's just, so my finger is covering part of it, but you can see there's like it's all kind of knotted and it's like really hard at that piece right there. So it's been bugging him for a while now. So I'm glad he's finally shed it. So I think that was the one under his head, under his chin, and then the other one I found in the garden is I think the one that was under his chest. And that was the really big piece, so I'm glad that one fell off too. I actually found another piece of fur in his new secret bed that's near my pull-up bar. It's much smaller, but it's still surprisingly sizable. So yeah, I guess he had more torn fur than I knew about. I'm not sure what part of the body that one came off of. So what you gonna do, Scruffy? I don't know. Maybe I should just go in and leave him be. So maybe he wants to hang out here and sleep on the chair rather than going through the rain. So I might be blocking him from the chair since I'm sitting right next to it. So I don't feel like trying to make him jump up here right now. Yeah, it's interesting that he hasn't taken off. So it's probably to deal with the rain more than anything else, but let's say he's kind of close now, so if I get up, he's gonna flee because I'm too close to him. Hey, Scruffy, you wanna jump up on the chair? My hand's resting on it, so probably scare him off. Oh, he likes that fish. So the pâtés, he usually doesn't clean the bowl very well. With the Hardy cuts, he does much better cleaning the bowl. And tonight, yeah, he's really cleaning that bowl. So yeah, I think maybe the fish is now his favorite, which is unfortunate for me because it's my least favorite. In fact, I actually hate it. It smells really bad. So if you want more food, you gotta catch those bulls. So it's like your one job. Gotta defend my garden from pests. Yeah, I think tonight's weather is really throwing him off. So yeah, he didn't wait for the water today. And pissed when I tried to change the water. And now he's not leaving like he normally does. So yeah, he's kind of off weather day here. Let's keep this one sweatshirt. Blocking the rims. Huh. So yeah, I feel kind of bad. I don't know what to do here. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go in and maybe he'll take over the chair and go back to sleep or something. And I think maybe that's what he wants. Okay, Scruffy. So I'm going to. You're kind of close, so I'm going to terrify you the moment I move. But I'm going to try not to terrify you too much. But I got to grab the bowls that take them in. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the bowls here, and I'm going to go in. Okay. Okay, then you get up. Wow, you didn't run away. I'm impressed. So yeah, the rain's really messed you up, I think. So I'm not going to dump the water out in the garden, so I'm just going to take it in with me. Okay, Scruffy, I'm going to go in. Oh wow, that was a meow. No, that was a hiss. Okay, well now you can have your chair, okay? Good night, Scruffy. So, gotta close the door now. Okay, bye, Scruffy.